Okay, I have a problem with my washer. It doesn't go all the way to rinse. When it reaches the rinse cycle, it stops. So I was thinking of troubleshooting it. And based on what I read, I hope I'm right. Maybe one of the reasons is that the pump filter is kind of clogged. So what I will do, I will try to troubleshoot it. And I will be using this manual. Okay, so and it says that I have to open this area. Okay, I'll just show you later. Okay, so according to this manual, I have to open this pump filter, and I have to use this well, just a thing that you can try to open this one. So this is your pump filter. So I'll try to open it with this nail file, and then I have to ready my towel and a shallow dish, because sometimes, you know, there's more or less a cup or two, I hope not 2 cups of water coming from this thing. Okay, so I was able to open this pump filter. Hindi siya nakaya ng aking nail file, so at least nakakita ako ng flat screwdriver from my husband's stuff. And now I was able to open this one. So ito yung kanyang door. So what I have to do now is to pull down this snout, and more or less meron daw water dyan. Okay, let me try first. Okay, so I'm now able to pull down the pour spout, and then nakikita nyo yung bulb na yun. I have to turn that counterclockwise according to the manual. At I have to open it slowly to allow the water to drain. So kung may clog dyan, definitely siguro kakaroon ng water, kaya nakahanda ang aking shallow dish at ang aking towel to prevent na magkalat ng water dito. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so naghanda na rin ako ng wipes at ng paper towel, because according to the manual, I have to open it slowly. Itong hilahin ko itong filter dito, at maglalabas to ng water, at I have to clean yung mga debris doon sa filter. Okay, let me check. Okay, so ayan, na-open ko na yung pump natin, at ito nga yung aking pump filter na nilinis ko. Medyo nakakadiri, ang dami kasing nag-attach ng mga debris. Medyo linisin ko pa to ng konti, and then ayun, lumabas na yung water. Tsaka may mga coins akong nakita. Siguro hindi natanggal agad sa mga damit na nilabhan, but I don't know kung saan galing to mga bato-batong ito. So maybe sila mga nagkukos ng clog dito sa aking pump filter. At ito, kita nyo yung water, mga around 1 to 2 cups. Okay, so what I have to do now is to return back this pump filter sa loob, and then I have to turn it clockwise to close it, and then make it tightly closed, and then itataas ko na itong spout niya, and then I have to put back itong aking cover ng ating pump filter. Okay, be back to you guys. Okay, ayan, naibalik ko na ng maayos yung kanyang cover. So I'll just have to try kung gagana na itong aking washer, at magpuproceed na siya all the way hanggang siya ay matapos. Okay, so maglalaba ako ng konti, pero gagawin ko lang yung speed wash. Ayan, kasi humihinto siya lagi pagdating sa rinse cycle I don't know, sa manual ko meron akong drain and spin, pero dito wala naman. But anyway, I hope it will go all the way through hanggang makumpleto ang pag-wash ko. I'll let you know, guys. Okay, so here goes ating speed wash. Okay, nakakumpleto na ako ng isang cycle na paglaba. Siguro nag-workout na. nung naayos ko yung nadiklag ko na yung ating pump filter. Okay, I'll keep you posted guys pagka may problema pa to. Pero kung wala na, then that's it. At least na-troubleshoot natin ang malfunction ng ating washing machine. Okay, bye!